Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable widgets in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. So at first, what you need to do is just go to the bottom of your screen and right click on your taskbar. Then just click on taskbar settings. From here in taskbar items, you'll find widgets. You just have to turn this off. After that, you can safely close this window. And the widgets have been turned off. But we need to turn it off from our system as well. To do that, what you need to do is just right click on Start, then click on Run. In here, type regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T, and click on OK. Click on Yes. After that, you'll get this window. In here, just go to H key current user. From here, you need to go to Softwares. Then from Softwares, you need to go to Microsoft. And from Microsoft, just go inside Windows. And inside Windows, you need to go to current version. And inside current version, you need to go to Explorer. And in Explorer, you need to go to Advanced. So just search for Advanced. There you go. And then from the right hand side, you need to search for Taskbar DA. So there you go, Taskbar DA. And then just double click on Taskbar DA. And in here, change the value from 1 to 0. And then just click on OK. After that, just go ahead and restart your computer. And that's basically how to disable widgets in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.